Hi guys, welcome to another video of plane spotting from my back garden. And as you can see, there's a plane very high up. It's like over 30,000 feet. And there's another one, let's see, no, all the way over there. So yeah, anyway, let's see when the next one comes. And here we have a British Airways plane. Look at that. It's like I think it's either 777 or Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Well, 777 is always a Boeing, of course. Sorry about that. And by the way, wait, hold on. Let me just record this plane real quick. God, that is beautiful. I checked on Flight Radar and there's no A380s or 747s that are coming shortly, so that's unfortunate. Why does it look like they're circling around? Oh no, they're just turning left because like they have to turn left and then turn right to get to London Heathrow Airport. Anyway, let's see when the next one comes. Okay, as soon as I paused the recording, I saw another plane over there. Very high up. Sometimes I get Royal Air Force planes flying over me, but they come very high though. So that sucks. But you can still hear it. It's like the at let's say 400M thingy. It's like rarely Boeing C-17 Globemaster not 3 come. Anyway, off to the next one. Okay, we've got another plane that's flying very high. Look at that trail from the engine. That's the engines doing that because it's so high. Usually it'd be like little bits of smoke, but since it's so high, yet it gets more colder. So it's like frost coming out. I think. Oh, we got another one right. Another one right there. Look at that. It's gonna be a cross. So I'm just looking on my right side to see if there's another plane. And there is. Look at that. Oh wait, look. Right through where the plane is. That is cool, kind of. Actually, yeah, it's really cool. Alright, now let's see them. Well, that one. Anyway, let's see when the next one comes. And as soon as I pause the recording, there's a British Airways A320 over me. Look at that. Or maybe it's an A321. I didn't check. Could be an A319. Anyway, let's see when the next one comes. But actually, no, let's. Oh, look. This is cool, bro. Alright, now let's see when the next one comes. Okay, so we've got a 777. That's 100% a 777. Wait, does it? No, that's Virgin Atlantic. That's probably a 787 Dreamliner. God, I thought it was that other plane that was on Flight Radar that was probably a 777. Or it's an A350 1000. I'm not that. I can't really tell these planes when they're high up. Look at that beautiful thing. Alright, let's see when the next one comes. Okay, we've got another plane here, sneaking up on me. I could barely see it on my camera. I had to zoom in. Actually, I couldn't see it at all. So I had to zoom in and see if I could see it, and I did. Sorry if that don't make sense. As always, let's see when the next one comes. Oh my god, I literally paused the recording and I did not notice them two planes here. That is a Lufthansa A340 because I actually checked flight radar and I remember it being on flight. Oh, please stop being blurry. Alright, there's this one as well. I want this one. Stop getting blurry. God damn it. Alright, let's see that one. Why is it not getting blurry for that one, but it's getting blurry for this one? Oh wait, no, never mind. Okay, that's much better. That's a Lufthansa A340. I think it's going to United States. Yeah, that is. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, there's the British Airways A320 or A319. Alright, as always, let's see when the next one comes. And we've got another plane right here, very high. Look at that. My arms hurt from putting my phone up. I'm only doing it for you guys. Oh, I lost track. There we go. You can still see that A340 just right there. Look at that. And there's the other one that we saw right there. Alright, anyway, right, actually now let's video this a bit more. Why not? That A340 was, I think, an A340 600 or 400. I don't know. Anyway, let's see when the next one comes. Wait a minute, it's actually turning. I want to see that. Look at this. I just want to see it turn. Oh god, I'm tripping on stuff. Yay. I'm not tripping, just stepping on. Alright, let's see when the next one comes. I bet it's going to be now, isn't it? Come on, up here. And by the way, the planes that go that way, yeah, that way, yeah, they're all going to London Heathrow Airport. Only the ones from the same height as the others. There you go, you finally showed up. That ain't a British Airways because it hasn't got dark blue on the bottom. God, why is it blurry? Why are you blurring for? Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, let's see when the next one comes. Okay, this is the last plane and then I'm gonna end the video. Unless I see an A380 on flight radar, then I'm gonna keep videoing. Well, I'm gonna have to end this one and then check flight radar and then video the A380 and then put the two videos together. That's what I'll do. Anyway, bye guys. Okay guys, so there was a Boeing 747 on flight radar, so I wanted to take a video of this. Look at that. I think it's the Alaska Airlines, I don't know. I forgot. But wow. Oh my god. A Boeing 747-400, the old version. Anyway, bye guys.